power of minus 7 into 300 because mere value for the core material is a 300. So that is a HI value. So next what we want to find out? We find out the ampere turns value. Ampere turns value we want to find out. So ampere turns I for iron material. So HI into Li. So here it is we are assuming as a L into I. So what is the HI value? B by 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 300 into that value 50 into 10 to the power of minus 2. If you are simplified, so finally we are getting a value so that is equivalent to 1326.3 into B ampere turns for iron. So this is equation 2. So but the total ampere turns is equal to ampere turns is nothing but density. So flux density actually produced. So that we want to find out. So ampere turns how can find out? Ampere turns can be written as a N into I also. So N into I is nothing but what is the N value? 200 into 1. So that implies we are getting the value as 200. Right? So ampere turn is equal to equation 1 plus equation 2. So what is the equation 1 is there? 795.795 plus 1326.3 we are taking as a B as a common. So then finally we are getting the values. So here instead of ampere turns we are substituting the 200. So this we are taking the summation. So then B by 795.795 plus 1326.3. So that implies B value we are getting as a 0.942 Webers per meter square. So this is a value we are find out finally. So these are the model problem. So if you are taking the only one material, if there are two or more materials is given, so each and every one having the mean length as well as the cross section area also is given. So in that case also we want to find out the reluctance. That thing will be discussed in the next class. First we focus on the problem. So in the first problem we discussed about there is no air gap is provided. So directly from the given data with the help of a few formulas we have simplified the equation and finally we determine the what is the quantity will be needed. It may be B value or it may be H value, it may be phi value or it may be L value or cross section area also. So whatever the factor is missing, the rest of things will be given in the problem. So that is the first problem. In the second problem, he provided air gap for the core material. So he is taking the core material like this. So there is a air gap is provided. So the air gap also having the flux because which should be forms a closed path. But that is a very small gap. 1 mm is nothing but a narrow size. In narrow size, automatically the magnetic flux will be linked with one end to the another end. So because of that reason, the density may be changes. Density may be changes because air is a core material and iron is a another core material. Because of that reason, the density may be changes and force may be changes. Because of that reason, there is a need to find out the two things. One is the flux density for the core material we want to find out. At the same time, for air also we want to find out. Similarly, in second, the force existence in air gap also we want to find out. At the same time, the force existence in the core material also we want to find out. So these are the two things we want to perform. So to find out the first for air gap we find, then we find out for the core material. If you are adding together, then finally we are getting the value. So always to find out or equivalent the density value or whatever it may be the force existence, that is the H value. So first we find out the ampere turns value. So how can we find out ampere turns is equal to N into I. That is the MMF. MMF produced in a material is same. So how can we say N into I is the formula? We know that phi is equal to N into I, or MMF is equal to N into I. N value is the 200, I is the 1. So I apply to both air and as well as the non-material. The flux is same, ampertance is the same. So because of that reason, first we find out the flux is same, but density may be changes as well as field strength also changes. So those we want to find out those two things. So first we find out about the air gap. This is for case 1, this is for the case 2. So first case 1 we want to find out for the air gap. So ampere turns already we know that N into I, that implies 200 into 1, that is equal to 200 is the ampere turn. But it is the total ampere turns is equal to the summation of 2 ampere turns. So how can we say 2 ampere turns is nothing but this is different and air gap is the different. So because of that reason, first we find out the ampere turns for the individual cases, then we are equivalent to the total ampere turns. To find out the ampere turns formula, what is the here N into I, but what is the another formula is there, H into L, that is the another formula we are using for ampere turns. So first we are using this formula because there is a need to find out the HI value. L value is already given in the problem. So first we think about the air gap. So to calculate for the air gap, Hg is equal to B by mu naught into mu r. Mu r value we are taking here 1 because it is the air. In air, mu r value is the 1. So Hg is equal to B by mu naught. But we want to find out the ampere turns. So to find out the ampere turn, we are taking the Hg into Lg. So Hg value is the B by mu naught into Lg. Lg value is the 1 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Mu naught is the 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. If you are simplified, we are getting the value as 795.795 into B. That is the equation 1. The next, similarly, we are calculating for the iron material. Hi is equal to B by mu naught into mu r. Mu r value is given in the problem as a 300. We are substituting mu r value, mu naught value. So then we are getting a equation. Hi is equal to B by 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 300. So then we find out the ampere turns is equal to Hi into Li. B by 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 300 into 15 to 10 to the power of minus 2. Then finally we are getting the value. Ampere turns is equal to 1326.3 into B. So in equation 1, equation 2, B is the common. Already ampere turns we are calculated. Ampere turns is equal to N into I, that is the 200. So then we are writing the equation. The total ampere turns is equal to ampere turns of air gap plus ampere turns of iron. So here we are writing here 795.795 B plus 1326.3 B. So in both B is common, we are taking as a B as a common. So then we are summing the two terms. So it is equating to the 200. So 200 is equal to B by this value we are getting. So B equal to B, then 200 by this value we can be obtained. Finally the B value is 0.942 Webers per meter square. So this is the value we are find out for a given problem. For example, if there is another cross-section area also is given, simply. So this is a one core material. So for example, he is divided to here and the cross-section area will be reduced. Right? So simply we can understand. This is a one core and increasing the cross-section area. This is another core. Then again increasing the cross-section area. So there are three things we want to find out. Totally 4 we have. What is that? From here to here, it is a one length. That is the flux density is a B1, H1 we want to find out. So L1 is given. So similarly from here to here, the length is a L2. So we need to calculate B2 and H2. So similarly the mean length will be different. So that is the assuming as a L3. There is a need to B3 and H3. But air gap also there. So there is a flux density will be different. That is we are assuming as a BG and HG. So totally 4 quantities will be we want to find out. So here only 2 quantities because only air gap and one core material is there. For example, if there is a number of series connections is given, so each and every time we want to find out the density as well as the field strength of the H value. So then finally we are summating the ampere. Ampere is common. Total ampere will be common for all things because the flux is same for all materials. Whatever we are connected in series, different magnetic materials, that is common. Right? So these are the model problems we have for the yesterday concept. Next, we think about the series connection. Already in the last